Interesting info for all of you. Welcome in Inspiring Minds. Animals quiz. Question number 1. What is the world's smallest mammal? Answer: Etruscan shrew. The Etruscan shrew, also known as the Etruscan pygmy shrew or the white-toothed pygmy shrew, is the smallest known extant mammal by mass, weighing only about 1.8 gram on average. The bumblebee bat is regarded as the smallest mammal by skull size and body length. The Etruscan shrew has a body length of about 4 centimeters (1.6 in), excluding the tail. It is characterized by very rapid movements and a fast metabolism, eating about 1.52 times its own body weight per day. It feeds on various small vertebrates and invertebrates, mostly insects, and can hunt individuals of the same size as itself. They are also found in the Maltese Islands, situated in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea. Although widespread and not threatened overall, they are generally uncommon and are endangered in some countries. Question number 2. What is the world's largest mammal? Answer: Antarctic blue whale. The blue whale is a marine mammal and a baleen whale, reaching a maximum confirmed length of 29.9 meters (98 feet) and weighing up to 199 tons 196 long tons 219 short tons. It is the largest animal known ever to have existed. The blue whale's long and slender body can be of various shades of grayish-blue dorsally and somewhat lighter underneath. In general, blue whale population migrate between their summer feeding areas near the poles and their winter breeding grounds near the tropics. The blue whale was once abundant in nearly all the Earth's oceans. Until the end of the 19th century, it was hunted almost to the point of extinction by whalers until the International Whaling Commission banned all blue whale hunting in 1966. The International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed blue whales as endangered as of 2018. Question number 3. What is the tallest bird in the world? Answer: Ostrich. Ostriches are large flightless birds. They are the heaviest living birds and lay the largest eggs of any living land animal, with the ability to run at 70 kilometers per hour. They are the fastest birds on land. They are farmed worldwide, with significant industries in the Philippines and Namibia. Ostrich leather is a lucrative commodity, and the large feathers are used as plumes for the decoration of ceremonial headgear. Ostrich eggs have been used by humans for millennia. Ostriches are of the genus Struthio in the order Struthioniformes, part of the infraclass Paleognath, a diverse group of flightless birds also known as ratites, that include the emus, rheas, cassowaries and kiwis. There are 2 living species of ostrich: the common ostrich, native to large areas of sub-Saharan Africa, and the Somali ostrich, native to the Horn of Africa. Question number 4. Which animal has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom? Answer: Colossal squid. The colossal squid Masonicateuthis hamiltoni is part of the family Cranchiid. It is sometimes called the Antarctic squid or giant cranch squid, and is believed to be the largest squid species in terms of mass. It is the only recognized member of the genus Masonicateuthis and is known from only a small number of specimens. The species is confirmed to reach a mass of at least 495 kilograms. The species has similar anatomy to other members of its family, although it is the only member of Cranchiid to display hooks on its arms and tentacles. It is known to inhabit the circumantarctic Southern Ocean. Although little is known about the behavior, it is known to use bioluminescence to attract prey. It is presumed to be an ambush predator, and is a major prey of the sperm whale. Question number 5. What bird can rotate his head up to 270 degrees? Answer: Owl. Owls are birds from the order Stratiformes, which includes over 200 species of mostly solitary and nocturnal birds of prey typified by an upright stance, a large, broad head, binocular vision, binaural hearing, sharp talons, and feathers adapted for silent flight. Owls hunt mostly small mammals, insects, and other birds, although a few species specialize in hunting fish. They are found in all regions of the Earth except the polar ice caps and some remote islands. Owls are divided into two families: the true or typical owl family, Sturgeon, and the barn owl family, Titanid. A group of owls is called a parliament. Question number 6. How many mammals can lay eggs? Answer: 2. Platypus and echidna. The platypus Ornithorhynchus anatinus, sometimes referred to as the duck-billed platypus, is a semi-aquatic, egg-laying mammal endemic to eastern Australia, including Tasmania. The platypus is the sole living representative or monotypic taxon of its family, Ornithorhynchid, and genus Ornithorhynchus, though a number of related species appear in the fossil record. Echidnas, sometimes known as spiny anteaters, are quill-covered, monotremes egg-laying mammals belonging to the family Tachyglossid. The diet of some species consists of ants and termites, but they are not closely related to the true anteaters of the Americas. Echidnas evolved between 20 and 50 million years ago, descending from a platypus-like monotreme. Question number 7. Who can see more colors? Humans or birds? Answer: birds. Birds are bizarre creatures when you really look into them. For example, did you know that penguins can only recognize salty and sour tastes? Or that palilla birds, native to Hawaii, feed on the seeds of the maimon plant, which contain a level of toxins that would easily kill any other small animal? Or that pigeons are thought to have a superior vision at color detection compared to any animal on Earth and are often used in search and rescue missions? Various avians have different superpowers and different ways of working their sensations. But one thing is true for most birds: they're superior in comparison to humans' vision. As birds are tetrachromats, they see 4 colors: UV, blue, green, and red, whereas we are trichromats and can only see 3 colors: blue, green, red. Bear in mind that the magenta UV color shown here has been chosen to make it visible for us humans. It is a false color, as per definition UV light has no color. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click bell icon.